Hey people, this is Jinwon Ha with my CS50P final project. This is Pick Collage. It's a program that takes an input image and converts it into a collage of images from the web, specifically Bing. How this works is it pixelizes your original image and replaces every single pixel with a picture with the closest mean RGB value as that pixel. Let's see it in action. Okay, so we have here a picture of Remy the rat from Ratatouille, furry little chef. And what we'll be doing is we'll be converting this image of Remy into an amalgamation of actual filthy rodents, rats. So we have our arguments. So we have Python pick collage.py and a lot of different arguments. So we need the name of the initial image. In our case, it's remy.jpg. And then the name of the output image really doesn't matter. You can put anything. I'll just put output remy.jpg. And then we need the search criteria. So this is the criteria that the web crawler is going to use to actually fetch all the images from the web. Just gonna put rats here. I think that works really well. And then we have the number of images that the web crawler is going to fetch. Now, the greater the number of images, the more accurate the collage is going to be. So you can put 50, 100, 1,000, really doesn't matter. In our case, I'm just gonna go with 50. Not too high, not too low. And then we press enter. Okay, and we're done. You can see collage complete, and we have output remy.jpg, which means it's worked. So we go into that, and we can see it's an image of Remy. Now, this isn't the clearest image I have. It's probably because we only had 50 pictures, but we can tell that it's Remy, right? Remy the rat. And then if we zoom in, we can see that every single pixel is an image of a rat from Bing. Now, I just want to show off some of my favorite pictures just to show off what this program can actually do. So we have an image of M&M made of actual M&Ms. And then we have an image of Captain Jack Sparrow made of actual sparrows. And an image of Yoda made of images of Honda Civics. Now, just going back to the arguments, there is an additional argument that I hadn't used yet, and that's randomness. Now, what randomness means?
Okay, so randomness by default is equal to 1, and what that means is it'll compare every single pixel and it'll fetch the closest image to that. But let's say if randomness was 2, now it'll take the closest image and the second closest image, and it will just choose randomly out either of them and paste them onto the collage.
As an example, I have 2 pictures here. So this is when R is equal to 1. We can see very defined, very structured, organized even. But then when R is 6, we can see a lot more chaotic. And that has been my CS50P final project. Bye-bye.